In this video, you'll learn how to buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet using a credit card. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Begin by opening a web browser on your device, enter the URL for Google in the address bar and press enter to load the page. This will be your starting point for accessing Trust Wallet. Once Google is displayed, search for the Trust Wallet extension. You can do this by typing Trust Wallet extension into the search bar and pressing enter. Look for the official Trust Wallet extension in the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct one. After locating the Trust Wallet extension, click on it to access its page. You will find options to add the extension to your browser. Follow the prompts to install the extension, and once installed, you can find it in your browser's extension menu. Next, click on the Trust Wallet extension icon located in the upper right corner of your browser. This action will open the Trust Wallet interface. Ensure you're logged into your account to proceed further. After logging in, look for the option labeled Fund within the Trust Wallet interface. Clicking on this will take you to the funding options available for your wallet. This step is crucial as it prepares you for purchasing. Now, find and click on the button labeled Buy Crypto. This will direct you to the various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Selecting this option allows you to begin the transaction process. In this section, you will see different cryptocurrencies listed. Click on USDT to select Tether as your cryptocurrency of choice. This is often a preferred option for transactions due to its stability. After selecting USDT, click on the Continue button to move to the payment stage. You may need to wait for a moment while the system processes your request before proceeding. At this point, the interface may redirect you to a platform such as coins.ph, depending on your selection. This is a standard part of the purchasing process as it links you to the payment provider. Once on the payment platform, look for an option to proceed with the payment. Click on Proceed to initiate the transaction. Be aware that this stage may require you to enter your credit card details securely. Before finalizing your purchase, ensure you review all information, including transaction fees and the total amount. It is important to confirm that your credit card has sufficient funds to cover the purchase. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your transaction was successful. This message may appear on the payment platform or within the Trust Wallet interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.